Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Analytics events tracked by no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the no-code app where your Google Analytics events are being tracked. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to the section where your analytics events are displayed. Identify the specific events you want to back up. Export these events using the provided export feature in the app. Choose the appropriate format for your backup, such as CSV or JSON. Confirm the export process and wait for the file to download. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your device's Downloads folder. Open your preferred spreadsheet software to review the data. Check for completeness by ensuring all desired events are included. For more complex tracking, consider integrating a data pipeline. Use tools like Zapier or Integromat to automate the backup process. Set up a workflow that regularly exports your Google Analytics data. Make sure to map required fields accurately to ensure data integrity. Test the workflow to confirm it exports events as intended. Schedule the automation to run at regular intervals for continuous backups. Periodically check the saved backups to ensure they are up to date. Consider storing your backup files in a cloud storage solution for easy access. Ensure that your storage solution has appropriate security measures in place. Regularly review your backup process to adapt to any changes in your tracking needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.